small one on my trailer. I use it for doing, when I'm out in the muddy fields. I got a 4-wheel drive chop saw, Miller 185. This is a saddle cut I did. I'm working on a pipe fence. I'm almost to a H-brace down the